Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
There could be a number of reasons why your hot cross buns turn out heavy or even hard. The most common reasons are as follows. Over-kneading. This is more likely to happen if you use an electric mixer and dough hook. If you over-knead dough, it will break down the glutens and make the buns hard. 14 March 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Buns will be fine tomorrow and probably the day after as well. They have that many preservatives in them. Yaboo. They were in date when you bought them. Yaboo, they in date when you bought them. 6 March 2015.
Let's help you make your mark.
A hot cross bun is a sweet bun made with spices and currants or raisins, marked with a cross on the top. They are traditionally eaten on Good Friday, but the reason why can differ depending on school of thought. Some believe the eating of hot cross buns on Good Friday marks the end of Lent. 10 April 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Dense or heavy bread can be the result of not kneading the dough long enough, mixing the salt and yeast together, or losing patience in the middle of molding your bread, and there is not enough tension in your finished loaf before baking.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.